Today we are going over 4 terms in this video and comparing them: copay, coinsurance, deductible, and out-of-pocket maximum. First up is the copay. Let's say you go to the doctor for a checkup because you're sick, and in your insurance benefits it explains that you have a $10 copay. This means that each time you go to the doctor, you will pay $10 up to a limit called your out-of-pocket maximum. This usually applies to doctor's visits, specialists, physical therapy, x-rays, MRI, emergency room visits, and more. There is more to this, but we'll add some more details in a bit. Next up is your deductible. Now, you've got a $1,000 deductible, let's say. This means that you're going to pay $1,000 for medical expenses before your insurance kicks in, assuming you are not on a copay type plan. A copay-driven plan usually has you pay for doctor's visits and other services, and this does not contribute towards your deductible. However, if you are not on a copay-driven plan, then you will pay all expenses up to $1,000 of the allowed amount. And this is dictated by your health insurance provider. Now, the allowed amount being what insurance decided the approved rate is for the charges from the doctors. Which then brings us to our next term, out-of-pocket maximum. This is the total amount of money that you will pay out of your own pocket for covered services. Covered services meaning that your insurer may not approve medically necessary treatment that your doctor wants you to get, but that's for another video. Let's say you have a $3,000 out-of-pocket maximum, and this is the total money from your own bank account that you would have to pay for covered/approved medical services in a calendar year. All right, and now for coinsurance. There is some math involved here. So you have a $1,000 deductible and an out-of-pocket maximum of $3,000. You get in a car accident, and let's assume you've already met your deductible for this year. So for this instance, you would have $2,000 left to pay out of pocket, and the treatment you received at the hospital cost $4,000. And based on your contract with the health insurer, you pay 50% and they pay 50% of any charges past the $1,000 your deductible. So you would pay $2,000 and they would pay $2,000, which would then bring you to your out-of-pocket maximum. And then after this threshold, your insurance will cover 100% of the costs for any follow-up care during that calendar year, assuming that they are for covered services. What questions do you have about any of this terminology? I know that was a lot. Is there anything that's not clear? If so, please comment below for any clarity. Have a great day. Later.